mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle Amaray, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I have a wig review slash wig install. I got this wig off of Amazon. I know I look crazy, but this highlight trend has been a thing, and I've been wanting to hop on it because every now and then I crave for like some blonde or a blonde wig or something. So I got this to go ahead and satiate that craving. It is a bob wig, and it was only about like $100 on Amazon. So I thought I might as well go ahead and try it. The only thing I've done to this hair so far was to apply purple shampoo and wash it. I'll show you guys how it looks straight out the bag, but it's just a bit too brassy for me. I don't know if it can like really pick up on the lighting, but I don't really like that. I guess it's just not in my comfort zone and I'm not used to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig, do my makeup, and see if I really do like it, because I'm thinking of wearing this for Valentine's weekend. So let me go ahead and show you guys what all came in the package. It came in just like a regular Amazon package. It came in a drawstring bag, and I also got like a little head wrap thing from the company and a headband. So yeah, that's all that really came with it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install this hair and just walk you guys through my customization process and kind of give my opinion and review of this hair.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. First touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip away. Don't let that love stay. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip. Don't let that love. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip. No. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted.
Okay, so this is the final look. Honestly, I really do love this hair. Like, I think it's super pretty. At first, I was kind of hesitant about the color because it's kind of out of my comfort zone, and I still might do something to the color if I'm not 100% sold later on, but I'm gonna give it some time to kind of grow on me, and then I'll see. But other than that, like, I think it's really cute. If you're someone who's into the whole highlight thing and you love it, I think this is a really great wig, and for $100 it really wasn't that bad coming from Amazon Prime. I will say that the hair itself is very thick. Like, this is not like a super thin skimpy bob, which I love. So they really do give you a lot of hair with it. And in terms of just customizing it, I'm a super beginner when it comes to wigs and all that stuff. So I think for someone of my skill level, it was pretty easy to kind of customize and make it look a lot more natural and a little better. So definitely a beginner friendly wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave all the details of the hair down below, as well as the link to it. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and cop this baby up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag, do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh.